Guys, and welcome to another Divi WordPress video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesigntechtips.com. Well, here's a little story. I've got a site here. I've just upgraded it to the new Divi version. If we go back to the dashboard here. If we go to our themes, I should have the latest Divi theme installed here, which I believe is 318. Yep, 318.2. Everything's working wonderfully. Let's go to one of our pages here and see if we can't edit it. Fantastic. There we go. There's my Divi builder. New and improved Divi builder experience is available. Let's switch to the new one and see what happens. I see. Very good. Here's our new one. It's working absolutely fine. They got some wonderful new features. Things are a lot quicker on it, and you can switch views very quickly. We'll do a more in-depth video about this at a later date. Let's have a look quick at the desktop view. There we go, and the previews are very quick indeed, which is wonderful. And we'll go back to our wireframe view, or let's have a look at the tablet and mobile views. Fantastic. Like I say, we'll do a more in-depth video about this later because it is absolutely awesome. But that's not what I wanted to talk about. What I wanted to talk about in this video is this is a backup of my site because I upgraded to WordPress 5 and it broke it. So here's the backup. I haven't upgraded. I've just gone through the steps that I've done. So let's go back to the dashboard here. Didn't actually make any changes there. And as we've seen, everything is working absolutely wonderfully. And let's go ahead and update now to WordPress 5. Well, just upgraded one of my sites to WordPress 5 and also upgraded the Divi theme, and it seems to have broken my site. Now if I go to pages here, just want to edit a regular page, and I'll just hit regular edit here. And it says the Divi builder is enabled. This looks completely different. I expect to see my layout here. So I'll hit launch the Divi builder. And nothing happens. It's basically taking me to a preview of the page. And WordPress, this new WordPress 5 has got this new blocks-based editor here. But I just want to edit my page with the Divi builder as usual because Divi is so awesome. I can hit return to the default editor, use the Divi builder. Nope, nothing. It's doing the same thing. What if we view the page and try and enable the visual builder? No, there's no option there to do that either. Okay, well, reading about it, it says you can add a plugin to go back to the old regular classic editor for WordPress, and I'll put this link below the video in case this happens to you. Here it is, classic editor. I've hit the download button. And here it is downloading to my desktop here. Okay, so let's go to our plugins. Yeah, we'll leave because we really didn't make any changes there. And we'll add this plugin. So if you haven't already done so and you're going to upgrade to WordPress 5, make sure you back up your site. Luckily I did, just in case this doesn't work. But make sure you back up your site. That Duplicate is a fantastic free plugin that'll do it for you. Have a look back at one of our videos about migrating WordPress sites if you want to learn how to do that. So let's add this plugin and see if we can't fix this issue. Just going to drag it up from there and install it. Activate it. Okay, it's activated. Let's go back to our pages now. Okay, I see it's got classic editor here. Okay, and well, let's just hit the classic editor button. That is what I wanted to see. That is exactly what I wanted to see. Okay, well good, that's fixed that, but Divi's just upgraded their builder. I think this is the classic one that we've got going on here. Let's view the page. Get rid of that one. I lost my little bar with the enable visual builder up here, so just build on the front end. Right, that didn't help either. Oops, let's still seem to have lost the ability to edit with the visual editor or Divi visual builder. Here we got this. Let's try clicking on this. No, still not working. Okay, let's go back to pages again. Try it one more time with the classic editor. So there's our regular Divi, which is great. Let's just update this page. Let's preview our changes. Okay, that's great. I'm loving this. Honestly, good grief. Let's view this page. Page is displaying properly, but there's no visual builder there. So Well, guys, basically this is a mess and it's just not working, and I'm not happy with it. This is going to cause a lot of problems for people. Divi's just brought out this wonderful new Divi builder, but WordPress has also brought out this update to 5 with this new blocks editor, and they do not like each other, which is going to cause a lot of people a lot of problems. Let's see if we can restore an earlier version. For some reason I'm now on a project instead of a freaking page. What is happening here? So let's go to pages. Let's go back to the page I was trying to edit. Classic editor. Okay, this is the correct page. Wow. Clear on cache. It's just not working. So I mean, the site itself is working, but I need to edit this page, and it's just not letting me do it. What the heck? I mean, I can... Well, guys, I'm sorry. This is just a mess. I love Divi. It's been wonderful to me. I've built hundreds and hundreds of sites with it. This is the first time I've ever come across a serious problem. And this really is a serious problem. So all I can tell you guys, I'll see if I can find a solution for this, is I'm running the latest version of Divi here. Let's have a look at our appearance and themes. Yep, 3.182, which is the latest version of it. So, and like I say, I've just upgraded the site to WordPress 5. And it has broken things. Things are not working. So beware. If you're using the Divi theme and WordPress 5 comes along, you may want to hold out and not update just yet, because you may experience these problems here, and honestly it's amazingly frustrating. Like I say, thankfully I backed this site up before I updated, so I'm going to have to go ahead and restore this site. But that is extremely frustrating. If I find a fix, and I'm sure they'll come up with one, I don't know quite what the problem is. Like I say, There's a new Divi builder and there's also a new version of WordPress. So which one's causing the issue, I do not know. But use caution. Keep what you've got if it's working. Or if not, make sure you back up before you upgrade to WordPress 5 and also the new Divi builder version. Okay guys, well, as soon as I have some more news about this, I will get it out to you. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.